So, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't yet subscribe, guys, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and guys, also make sure you join the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we will be for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in it. Now, let's see what market is going to for us for the week. Now, let's start with our weekly time frame. So, the first thing first, we need to ask ourselves is what is the trend? That is the first thing we want to know. We want to know the trend. And as we can see on our AUDUSD, are in uptrend mode. It is very clear that what market is what trending to the upside. So, this is very much a bullish move. So, market has given us a multiple rejection at this zone, right? Market has given us a multiple rejection at this. So, eventually, markets then push up to form an high. Now, here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push up one more time to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? This is the higher low. So with what market is doing, we should be expecting market to continue to push up. It is able to take out this high, thereby forming a higher high. So this is to tell you that in long run, especially in the next for the next 3 weeks, right? We would be seeing a bullish move on odd USD. So odd USD is going to continue to push. So if you are a swing trader, this is the perfect opportunity for you to go buy and put your buy position. Because in the long run, markets will still going to push up and up further. So guys, this week we will be closing bullish. Now, this is the week that just ended, right? Markets open and close bullish. Now, this week that we are predicting for, we should be expecting markets also open and close bullish. Basically, we are anticipating for a bullish move on our odd USD. So odd USD should be giving us a bullish move. Now let's go down to our daily time frame, guys. This is our main trend. We are in an uptrend move. So it is very much bullish, right? Now, if you have to zoom it right here, you see that this is a current trend. And the current trend is what? It is ranging. So the current trend is very much ranging. Market is current. Now take a look at this right here, guys. Markets push up to tap this resistance level, then it rejected from my resistance and drop back to the support, right? Then market was able to reject from the support and come back to our tap our resistance. Then it's rejected from our resistance and came back to the support. Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then we had that rejection from our resistance and it dropped back to our support. Now market eventually rejected from our support level back to this into this resistance level. And now this is a drop that market that came back to top our support. So market has now come to tap our support level. So we are now having a support level. We are going to be expecting a rejection on our support level and we make market to push up to want to tap our resistance level. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing all the way, you want to be going in for the bullish move. You want to be going in for the buy. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting on our all the way. Now let's go down to our forward time frame. So at first market was able to rally up, right? Then it dropped to target support. Market then push up again, and now it has come back to retest the support level. So that now the market has come to retest the support level. So we should be expecting a rejection. We should be expecting a rejection from our support level on odd USD that will push it up, that will make market to push up, at least to come to tap this level or it eventually break above it. So with this movement, we should be seeing about 80 pips. So we should be able to grab nothing less than 80 pips for the week. After it starts this level, then we are going to see it push further out. It is able to tap the main resistance level. So a bullish move for the week is what to be expecting. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share.